Discover your own private oasis, a gorgeous custom home located in a private setting, surrounded by nature. It's situated on a 1/3 of an acre lot with expansive covered decking, extensive parking, and a security gate. The alder wood front door welcomes you home, where you'll find vaulted ceilings, acacia wood flooring, custom built-ins, and an indoor-outdoor fireplace. The open and spacious kitchen features alderwood cabinets, granite counters, high-grade stainless steel appliances, a wine cabinet, and large island. Beautiful built-ins frame this hobby room, office, or 4th bedroom. And French doors open to this bonus or workout room. The vaulted master suite is your own private retreat, with a spacious walk-in shower, including a rain shower head, a huge soaking tub, dual sink vanity, and a large walk-in closet with built-ins. The generous 2nd and 3rd bedrooms have a private sink and commode with a shared shower and extensive closets with built-ins. Your outdoor living space is plumbed with gas lines for your barbecue, as well as outdoor heaters, a ceiling fan. It's wired for easy holiday lighting and wired for a hot tub. A gorgeous home in a peaceful, natural setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Cris Howard with Premier Property Group.